Welcome to the video that answers the question, what beginning of year screeners do we use for mathematics in my grade level? Our universal screener in GCISD is the iStation ISIP for both reading and math. The iStation ISIP for math provides tiering information from a single score. Students take this assessment online, so it can be given to the whole class at one time. In addition to our universal screener, we give two diagnostic screeners, one for computational fluency and another for problem solving. The comprehensive computational fluency screener is aligned to several prerequisite grade level TEKs to provide diagnostic information that's detailed about where possible breakdowns in understanding may have occurred for any of your students. The computational fluency screener is approximately 35 questions long and is entirely free response. The problem-solving screener is aligned to just the previous grade level's TEKs, so that you have detailed information about how all of your students have mastered the learning that is directly prerequisite to the mathematics you'll be teaching. The problem-solving screener is about 15 questions long and is mostly multiple choice. For more information about the iStation ISIP Universal Screener, please contact your learning liaison. For more information about diagnostic screeners for mathematics, please visit our website at sites.google.com/gcisd.net/rtimath. Thanks for watching.